America had to wrestle the resources and wealth to build their empire. From this continent, it's our empire. I shall go north to the ruins of the capital, where souls are lurking in the past. Yes, I see Alexander Hamilton, one of the founders. I will direct my V-mask at his mind.
All communities divide themselves into the many. The first are the rich and well-born. The other, the mass of the people. The voice of the people has been said to be the voice of God. And however generally this maxim has been quoted and believed, it is not true in fact. The people are turbulent and changing. They seldom judge right. Give, therefore, to the first class a distinct, permanent share in government.
And they did. The masses never changed. They even abandoned their bodies. It wasn't our fault the rains came. The desert spread. The poisons lingered. But we learned to control them, to chain them and break them, to enslave them with the bite of the zombie wolf.
The imperial class knew that they had to keep the oppressed divided and at each other's throat. But the people hungered for a just and sustainable society, where the community nurtures every person to rise to the highest potential, so all would prosper.